Hello everyone, this is Silveria from Indian Trails Library Branch. Uh, Welcome to our November Family Craft Night. Our craft this month is going to be fall harvest decoration. The material we provide is a pumpkin shape, a piece of burlap, some centerpiece decoration, a piece of jute rope, ribbon to use it as a hanger, and a piece of pipe cleaner, and fall leaves. The tools you will need to complete the project is a hot glue gun, glue sticks, scissors, marker or Sharpie, Elmer's glue, or if you don't own all these tools, they're not provided. If you don't own a hot glue gun, you're gonna need any other kind of strong craft glue. First step you're gonna be doing is trace the shape of the pumpkin on the burlap, and then cut it the shape of the pumpkin. After we cut our shape, now we're gonna glue the burlap shape to the cutout of the pumpkin. Now we're gonna start gluing or rub all around the pumpkin with the hot glue. Now we're gonna glue our decoration on the middle of the pumpkin with the hot glue. Now we're gonna glue the leaves on the bottom of the pumpkin. Now we're gonna do our bow. Now we're gonna glue or both to the pumpkin. Our last step is to glue the ribbon to use as a hanger on the back of the pumpkin. Once you are done, this is how your project is gonna look. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube to see our future videos and programs.